Okay, we're on the elevated portion of Gamchon Village. As we mentioned, yung Gamchon Village used to be para siyang squatter area here in Seoul, but now modernized na siya and slowly being kuan na rin siya, naging tourist destination. So according to mga planners dito sa Korea, this is one case of urban regeneration. It's almost sunset na here. Let us see here. Ano ba to? The case of the urban ito nga, revitalization of Gamchon Culture Village has been listed on the textbook of Korean middle and high school, getting a lot of attention as a role model of urban revitalization. As the case was even mentioned in the question of college scholastic ability test. Sikat na siya, no? Case of urban revitalization of Gamchon Culture Village. Yung sa atin, case of Smoky Mountain. Now we're going down, then take public transport here. Yan. It's going sunset na here in Busan. Tingnan natin. Yan, sunset in Busan. Ito, may upuan. Yung lamig is so biting. Yung lamig.